Here we have a SAT math problem. Okay, let's go to the question. In the figure above, measure of angle ABC equals to x degrees, measure of angle EDC equals to 43 degrees, and measure of angle BFE equals to 25 degrees. If the lengths of AB and BC are equal, then what is the value of x? Okay, now let me plot the given information over here in the given figure. So there is measure of angle ABC is x degrees. ABC, it's over here. So its measure is x degrees, and the measure of angle EDC. So EDC, it's over here. Its measure is 43 degrees, and measure of angle BFE is 25 degrees. BFE is over here. So this measure is 25 degrees. And also there is an information, the lengths of the two line segments AB and BC are equal. So AB is over here and BC is over here. So the lengths of this AB and BC are equal. Okay, now let me consider the angle measure we have over here at the point D. That is here we have a straight angle. We know that a straight angle measures 180 degrees. Okay, here in this straight angle, we can consider this is one part of the straight angle. This is the second part of the straight angle. So one part of the straight angle measures 43 degrees. What about the measure of the second part of the straight angle? For that, we have to subtract this 43 degrees from 180 degrees. When I subtract this 43 degrees from 180 degrees, I am getting 137 degrees. That is the measure of angle EDA. Over here is 137 degrees. Okay, now let me consider the triangle AFD over here. In this triangle AFD, we know the two interior angles, that is 25 degrees, 137 degrees. Okay, using these two interior angles, we will be able to get the interior angle measure at the vertex A. Okay, now let me consider the triangle, that is in triangle AFD. Let me add the three interior angle measures. The first one is 25 degrees and the second one is 137 degrees. The third interior angle is unknown, that is a measure of angle A. Okay, here I have added the three interior angles of the triangle AFD. In any triangle, the three interior angle measures will add up to 180 degrees. Okay, here we can combine this 25 and 137. Then I'm getting 162 positive measure of angle A equals to 180 degrees. Okay, now to solve for A, let's subtract 162 degrees from both sides. Let me do it. Then I'm getting, so this positive 162, negative 162 will cancel out. Measure of angle A equals to, okay, when I simplify this one, positive 180 degrees, negative 162 degrees, I'm getting 18 degrees. Okay, now I got the measure of the angle, interior angle of the triangle AFD at the vertex A, that is 18 degrees. Okay, already we know that in triangle ABC, two sides are equal in length. The side AB and the side BC are equal in length. In a triangle, if two sides are equal, then the interior angles which are opposite to those sides must be equal. Okay, here this is the interior angle measure that is opposite to the side BC, and this is the interior angle measure opposite to the side AB. Since this interior angle measure, this interior angle measure are opposite to the sides AB and BC which are equal in length, then the interior angle measure at the vertex A over here at vertex C over here must be equal. That is already we know that here it's 18 degrees and here also we have 18 degrees. So here these two interior angle measures are equal because they are opposite to the sides of equal length AB and BC. Okay, now let me consider the triangle ABC over here. Actually, my aim is to find the value of x. Okay, in this triangle ABC, we can add the three interior angles, 18 degrees, 18 degrees, and x degrees. So these three interior angles of the triangle ABC will add up to 180 degrees. Okay, let me write the stuff over here. In triangle ABC, let me add the three interior angles, 18 degrees, positive x degrees equals to 180 degrees, because in any triangle the three interior angles will add up to 180 degrees. Okay, when I combine this 18 and 18, I am getting 36 positive x equals to 180. Okay, now we can subtract 36 from both sides to solve for x. When I do so, this positive 36, negative 36 will cancel out. I am getting x on the left side. On the right side, when I combine this positive 180 and negative 36, I am getting 144. Okay, I got the value of x. The value of x is 144.